Why don't you want? Okay, let's do some steps. What the heck? Write an equation that goes through 2, -5, and it's parallel to blue and perpendicular to blue. Okay. So, let's do step 1. Identify given slope. So, what do I mean by that? Well, for parallel lines, use same slope. Example, I'm not going to tell you the answer to that, but for example, if given y equals 4x minus 3, I would use m equals 4. However, number 2 says we want to do a perpendicular. So for perpendicular, use opposite reciprocal. For example, if the equation that says we need to be perpendicular, if it was 4x minus 3, we would use -1/4. Okay? So you start by thinking about, well, if I need to be parallel to this, what will my slope be? So for number 1, if we need to be parallel to this, then we need the same slope as this, because parallel lines have the same slope. All right, good. Why not? Why not? Why not? What's the fact? What's the fact? Parallel lines. Okay. Step 2, after you identify given slope, identify x1, y1, and use point slope form. Step 3, get y1. Here we go. Number 1. Okay, number 1. Given this equation, Brianna, which slope will I use for number 1? 1/2. Well done. Given y equals 1/2 x plus 3, we'll use m equals 1/2, and that's because we want to be parallel to this line. And parallel lines have the same slope. Okay. And what's the ordered pair we're using, Winter? That's going to be our X1, Y1. X1, Y1. Got it. So what are we going to do? Yes, well said. We're going to plug it into this form here. All right, I've told you M, and I've told you X1, and I've told you Y1. You plug it in and rewrite it. All right. So we need a line that goes through here and parallel to here. I'm actually maybe going to draw this. So, listen. All right. Let me just show you a picture really quick. So this is our line that we're given. It starts at 3, and it goes up 1 over 2. Oh, wow. I wish it was straight, but, wishes don't always come true. Okay. This is 1/2 x plus 3. We're trying to make a parallel line. So a line that's maybe here or here or here. We're trying to make a train track. Okay? We're trying to find its twin. So when it says write an equation parallel, we need to make a train track. Okay, our train track has to go through 2, -5. So it has to go through here. Okay, our new line is going to look like this. So we're making this line right now, the parallel line, train track. So now that I've drawn this whole picture, I've done a lot of work, I can just go up 1 over 2. Did anybody do it and get the y-intercept as -6? You two are dressed and get the same thing? That's good. All right, so I'm pretty sure when I'm done step 3, I think I'll have a -6 at the end. Let's try. So it's y minus -5 equals 1/2 x minus 2. Did anybody do this part right? Okay. Every time we got minus and negative, we have to switch that around to a plus sign. Okay. So who switched minus and negative and made it positive, made it a plus sign? All right. Next, we have to distribute. Boom. Boom. Am I ahead of you now? Did anybody distribute? Okay. Go ahead and distribute if you haven't. Sorry, this big podium's in your way. Move it. We're at 1/2 x now. Shoot, I have to do a fraction. 1/2 times -2. Okay. Same process as perpendicular, but for perpendicular, we use the opposite reciprocal. For instance, if we were given 4, we would do -1 over 4. Actually, let's see what we're given and see what we're going to switch. So this is now number 2. All right, very similar steps, like almost an identical setup, but given 1/2 x plus 3, we're gonna use what would be the perpendicular slope? It would be negative what? Yeah. What's the perpendicular slope? All right, we're given m is 1/2. What's the perpendicular? How do you make a perpendicular slope? No, not quite. I know you got it. You got it? Close. Close. -2/1. Split it, make it negative. So Colton, when you go to the perpendicular, you pick the one that's split. Perpendicular, flip it. Change the sign. Okay, now I really need to know, like half of you heard this, and I think maybe 1/3 of you are in it. Brody, you know how to do a perpendicular slope? Okay, let's try again. Parallel is 1/2. We have a slope here of 1/2. What would a perpendicular slope be to this? You got it, Daisy? -2/1. You buy that? You buy that, Brody? What? How did they come up with that? So I flip this
And make it a negative.
and make it a negative. Are we on board? You're on board? Okay. All right. We have to do this again. Well, let me ask you this. If we're gonna plug this into this formula, do we need the one on the bottom? No, we don't, guys. We don't need that one anymore. Just drop it. I want you to get a paper and pencil. Are you done? Did you do it yet? Do you know what to do? You know what to do? You know? Number 2? You know? What did you get? What did you get? Or number 2? Are you ready? Yeah. You got X1, you got Y1. I want you to use M equals -2. Ready, go.
No. See, I heard you call my name like 5 times. And I kept on going back. I'd be like, Dad. Thank you. What'd you do to it? I'm laughing.
No, this is Tristan, you got this? Yep. Did you plug in this, and this it? Okay, let's go. Try to get the time. Keep holding down your I got down and I saw 9 and I saw 1. And whoever I saw 9 and 1, I went over here and I saw someone else and that question what I said over here. So I'm going to get right into this. Okay. So I'm doing y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, we decided that the slope was -2. Okay, I'm going to do this. Yeah, you guys. I checked a couple of papers, and I'm pretty sure I said 9 was right, but it's actually -1. -1's gonna be right. I messed that up. Three, four, one. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1.
I did last time. Now you know you would not do it on Monday.
3, 4, 1. Hey, be quiet. You guys, stop. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these problems and talk out loud while I do them. Some of you will copy what I write and learn from it. Some of you won't. As I do it, try to understand it. If you can't, you're going to get online when I'm done, and you're going to use this online. We're going to do the one way or another try to figure this out. All right, number 2. Determine which lines, if any, are parallel. I think that Melina and Cole, please don't do that. To me, these all look parallel. So I feel like maybe I'm getting tricked. So I'm gonna go ahead and count rise over run to make sure that they're not tricking me. So for blue, it goes 1, down 5, right 2. Red, down 4, right 2. Green, down 2, right 1. Sure enough, I think my eyes were playing tricks on me. If I was just rushing through this, I'd say, yep, all 3 are parallel. What's the point? But now that I compare what I've counted, I see that actually they aren't all parallel. This one, if I reduce it, is -2. This one, if I reduce it, is -2. This one is 2.5. So blue is out. Blue is not a part of this parallel party. Red and green are parallel. Yeah, it says determine which ones are parallel. My answer is red and green. Red and green are parallel. And I didn't trust my eyeballs. I counted it and I did the math. They're going to try to trick you and make you count. Number 4, not only are they probably trying to trick me, they're not even providing a picture. So I'm super bummed out about this, and I don't want to do all this work. So I'm going to have you guys do it. You guys here, U5, can you go back up so we can see? Find the slope of line A. Okay, I'm going to be calling on you guys. So compare. You guys have to agree. Just the slope. You guys in number 4, y'all 2 rows. You guys have to do line B. What do we do? You guys, I did the counting. You guys find the slope of line C.
I need your help.
We're on number 4.
Y'all be still.
Tristan, line B. You can do it. Find the slope. Line in. You got 2 hard pairs. Find the slope. I'm not making you do all 3. I'm making you do 1. Find none of these slopes. You can actually. All right, line A has agreed. Line A has agreed that their slope is 3. Did y'all come up with something? I got 2.
How do you get 3? It's 2.
Line B has a slope of 2. What did you guys come up with?
2 over 3. Yeah, 2 over 3.
Oh, no. Some of
Look, see,
The slope is 3. The slope is 3. The slope is 3. We got it wrong.
Oh, we were saying the wrong thing, guys.
no, really? No.
You were saying the wrong
No,
thing.
we're saying the wrong thing.
I said 3.
It's 3.
It's
No, Ashley.
two.
It's 3.
It's not 3.
It's 3.
It's two.
Oh, this
Come on.
Somebody has it wrong.
It's 2 over 3. Let's
Two
go.
over three.
I said 2 over 3.
Why'd you look at us like we was wrong when we said 2 over 3?
Ooh.
Listen, my face is telling its own story. I don't know what it's doing. Don't go by my face. I have no idea. Mostly, it looks mean. I don't know. This is not giving right now. Alright. Now I just, listen, this is, I told you they're trying to trick you. None of these are parallel. None are parallel. Non-parallel line is number 4. That's a no. No. We got a 3, we got a 2, and then we got a 2 over 3. Non-parallel. Number 6. Number 6. Alright, this time, y'all have to get Y alone. You guys break down equation A and get Y alone. You guys write down equation B and get Y alone. You're doing equation B, get Y alone. You guys have equation B, get Y alone. Told you, you move everything around.
Oh, which one we do? We got C.
So that is Y equals MX plus B.
And then subtract -2.
But I can do
Oh,
it.
that's easy.
Subtract -2 from both sides.
No, don't wish all day.
Oh, yeah, you add
Move everything around.
both sides.
Then we have to like
You don't give us you do after. No, say it again. No, say it again. No,
you don't see the extra.
no, say it again. Now both sides.
You said what? We try to do that.
So why don't you say
I know you lying.
I can't even hear myself.
Get down on it. I know you lying. You better hurry.
Alright guys, I got line A. Great job, line A group. You guys got it. I got line B. Great job, line B group. And I got line C. Which ones are parallel?
Line A and line B.
Line A and line B. Good job. Line A and line B are parallel. They both have a slope of 1/3. Line A, line B are parallel. What time is it?
12:20.
Yeah, I'm starting to count for that too. Alright, I got one more to do and then you guys are logging in. Big idea. Alright, why don't you guys that did line in, go ahead and grab some Chromebooks and start logging in.
I'm on my name. No, I'm missing myself.
You like that?
Not no car.